What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another review edition of Learn Crypto. My name is Nick Hellman, and today we're going to take a look at Decred. Now, before we get started, make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And if you love everything we do here at Learn Crypto, from reviews, interviews, live shows, and technical analysis, hit that little notification bell. Now, Decred stands for Decentralized Credit and is an autonomous digital currency. The main focus of this cryptocurrency is to improve on what they feel Bitcoin is struggling with: a good organizational structure, create a modular platform that allows for integration of new features without disrupting the underlying network, and a reward system built in to the community governance framework. So if we go over here to CoinMarketCap, we see that Decred is doing pretty well. It is ranked number 30, currently has a market cap of $659 million. And it has a total supply that may look familiar to you. That is 21 million, mimicking that of the great index, Bitcoin. Now, the major selling point for this currency is its complex governance system. They use a system of checks and balances on miners to avoid forks and other discrepancies. DCR takes advantage of a hybrid proof-of-work and proof-of-stake mining system so that a small group cannot take control of the flow of transactions or changes made to it without the community's consent. 60% block reward goes to miners, 30% goes to stakers, and the remaining 10% goes to their treasury fund to further advance Decred's development. The future governance model enables owners or stakeholders to do voting on a specific agenda or proposal for the Decred blockchain. In order for a vote to be implemented, it must receive at least 75% of the community's vote. If it is a minor upgrade, it will activate 8,064 blocks after the vote has passed. Now, that is pretty impressive. Examples of successful community votes and implementations include the reduction of staking difficulty, which we'll get to here in a second, and adding Lightning Network integrations with the Decred blockchain. So how does staking work? First, you must buy tickets. The ticket price fluctuates every 144 blocks or twice a day, and the price is based on ticket demand and the percentage of coins that are currently staked. Now, going back to the vote to reduce staking costs. So, they have been working on a ticket splitting feature, and it is currently ready but still in beta phase. Functionality was tested on the mainnet last week by a group of 4 people who purchased a ticket by contributing roughly 24 DCR each. The minimum amount of DCR to get involved with the ticket splitting at this time is 5 DCR, but this may even be lowered further in the future. Maybe this is why we're seeing a run-up and a stability in the recent price action, as this will allow a lower barrier of entry for retail investors and may spur refound interest in this long-standing cryptocurrency. As you know, the price of Decred is currently sitting around $92. So the fact that even with this splitting feature enacted, which is still in beta, the minimum of 5 DCR is still going to be something like $500, which may not be attainable for a lot of small retail investors, and may be why this mass adoption on this currency is struggling as of now. Now, this is one step in the right direction, but as you can see from this statistics here, this is DCRstats.com. I'll go ahead and put all these links in the description below as well. One ticket in order to currently stake on the Decred network is 92.45 Decred. And yes, at nearly $100 per Decred, you are looking at $9,000 investment just to be able to stake on their network. Now, it does have a very good ROI. As you can see here, the estimated ROI per ticket is 1.37%. This will be paid out between 28 to 30 days. Now, if you do that over a yearly basis and you compound your rewards into that, you're looking at massive ROIs. But the mere fact that it costs so much to be involved with the network is, I think, one of the reasons that this coin has been very hype-averse, which may be seen as a positive, but has led to the downfall of mass adoptions under current setup. Now, like we said, with this splitting feature put in place, I've already practiced with 4 people doing 24 DCR split, so that does reduce the price barrier to $2,400 roughly, and even the 5 DCR to 500, but I think an even further reduction like they are talking about would be really good for the longevity of this project. Overall, I think this is a strong project. Unlike other digital currencies, Decred is the brainchild of a few Bitcoin developer who desired to come up with an absolutely decentralized cryptocurrency where certain people couldn't influence others. Now, this does not come without any challenges, though. Even though Decred is the 30th largest coin by market cap, it still looks to be an anomaly in the cryptocurrency arena, as it is being surrounded with very little hype. Now, we see the Trons, the Verge, some of these other coins that find a lot of success on hype, because that means they get a ton of followers to the community, and whether or not they all stay with it, they're all buying, understanding what it is, and have heard of it, so they're getting name recognition for the future of this cryptocurrency space. While it has been more successful in development and sound engineering, the main challenge that it may have to face is to garner more adoption and grow its community, as it may not last long only with its superior governance system. Because according to some media reports, Ethereum is soon planning to implement an analogous proof-of-stake governance system expected to be christened as Casper. Decred and other self-governing cryptocurrencies may coexist, but it's tough to say who is going to rule over the major part of the market cap and really maintain market dominance within this sector. Let's see if Decred can stay on track with its mission and on pace with its competitors here in the near future, to remain a top player in this cryptocurrency ecosystem for years to come. Now, this is an interesting product. I would make sure to go over to decred.org, as you can find out what they're all about on their website and some of their ethical rules that they like to follow here. Also, if you go over to CoinMarketCap and click on website number 2 down here, you actually get sent to this Decred documentation page. If this review has spurred a little interest into Decred and you would like to look even further, make sure to get over here, as it gives you a start to finish what Decred is, how to mine, how to stake, how to interact with its governance system, and what the future may hold for this great project. Now guys, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, stay tuned for your daily updates on cryptocurrency right here at Learn Crypto.
LearnCrypto.io is the pathway to your understanding of cryptocurrencies. At our website, you can learn about the grandfather of technical analysis, Richard D. Wyckoff, purchase our Cryptocurrencies and Wyckoff trading course, and read our daily updated blog. You can also find the link to our YouTube channel, where you will get technical analysis and fundamental research about cryptocurrencies on the daily. If you are too busy with family, retirement, work, or all of the above, then just click our Crypto PCG link and allow us to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio for you. You give us trading APIs so we can enter orders and manage your portfolio, but cannot withdraw or transfer any of your coins or funds. We manage clients' portfolios for a respectable 3% annual fee, which is billed in 1/4 quarterly installments. Don't hesitate. Contact us today, because with these 24-hour, 7-day-a-week crypto markets, it helps to have a professional as a part of your team.